Today, a really small video, just about one tiny feature I would like to show you about AI, of course. And this is just using AI due to laziness. You know, okay, we know the syntax of README, of Markdown, and we want to introduce a introduction a little bit more like clickbait, a little bit more engaging. And for doing so, we want to have a nice image or screenshot. I took a screenshot of my application. The video editing, oh, that one didn't work. Yes, this one. That's the video editing, the auto video effects. I took a screenshot, all good there. I pasted in a assets folder, media, assets, media. And then I just mentioned here, if I make it a little bit bigger, it will be easier, not that one, this one, yes. I mentioned it here, add the assets, media, demo, video, editing, app, PNG. I renamed it, but we can also ask AI to rename the file name for you, a better name, what will be the ideal name, whatsoever. And then I mentioned intro with a alt title for the image. We can ask to center the image in HTML or in Markdown, but in Markdown it will not add any style because that's not possible. So with Markdown you cannot center the image. For me, I'm happy with that, but otherwise you have to ask to be in HTML, Markdown format. Beautiful, and I just press enter. We are on the agent mode, but we could also use the edit mode because here it's not really complex, it's fine. So having the edit mode would have done it as well. I'm using Copilot with a premium model, which is Sonnet 4, but I could have used GPT 4.1. That would have been enough as well. And then it's doing it for me with the path. So the alt text will be demo video editing app, yes. And then the title attribute will be video editing application interface, auto effect tools. Yeah, I'm happy with this. And then it did it for me, so I can have a look on the README here. We have it here, beautiful. I keep the change, I can see it here, so the path works. And now I can just commit to that. So I will go to Visual Studio Code, I will select the README here, add the plus here, and I generate my commit message, and then I do commit, and that's it.